Age 14 Broadway Group Contemporary. Please welcome First Trade Home, entry number 266.
Bodies disengage, our mouths are flashing over. Is this an echo game? Iris is retreating to ovals of white. The urge to feel your face in blood rushing to paint my handprint. Frisbee one by one, your vinyl on laminate. I'm desperate for some kind of contact. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. Got to catch the first train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home. Temporal dead zone, where clocks are barely breathing. Yet no one cares to notice. For all the yamming on, I climb up to hold it together. I want to plate away forms in the hideaway. I want to get on with getting on with things. I want to run in fields, paint the kitchen, love someone. No, I can't do any of that here, can I? First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. Got to catch the first train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home, I've got to get on it. First train home. What matters to you? It doesn't matter to me. What matters to me? It doesn't matter to you. What matters to you? It doesn't matter to them. What matters to them? It doesn't change anything. First train home. Oh, first train go to get out now.
That was entry 266.